right, guys, so we just got done sandblasting the Hudson. We've already had it sandblasted before, but it had been a little while and we kind of got some flash rust, so he just came to freshen everything up. Right now, Pat's blowing all the rest of the dust off, and then we'll roll it back in here so it stays nice and fresh for the rest of the restoration process.
Got plenty on this side. Yep.
About there.
Yep.
You can leave this door open too. All right, so this week we're really hammering down on the customer projects, trying to get things wrapped up as much as we can. Next week, I'm gonna be gone in Ohio, going to Cornfield Customs to help out Mike Wagner. And then Pat is going on vacation to Hawaii. So we're just trying to get all those last little details wrapped up so we can put the pause on customer projects for about a week.